how to create a simple Facebook post with music that you can either share now or schedule later. Once you've logged into your Facebook page, go down to Write a Post. In Write a Post, click on Photo Video and scroll down to create a slideshow. You'll notice it says add 3 to 10 photos. So once you've clicked on create a slideshow, click on add a photo. On add a photo, choose upload the photos or choose from the photos that you have available. I've already got a few photos ready, so I'm actually going to take from here some of the photos that I would like to have. And then I'm just going to pop the 5 photos in. Once these photos have actually uploaded, we'll then be able to move them into the positions that you would like to have them. So they're all uploading slowly. I want this one to go towards the end. Now you can move them like one spot at a time. It's much harder to drop and drag. So we'll just take that one down to the end. Move that one here. Now I want also the photos to go for about 2 seconds. I would think may give a chance to read. I could try 3 seconds. So I'm going to I might actually go for 3 seconds. And I'd like to have a little bit of music. I'll just take the chill wave. There is a variety of choice of music. You can hear it as it goes, and that will just create a slideshow ready for you, as you can see, with music, and it can then repeat it as you go through. So what I will do now, once I've got that ready, is I'm going to go through and click on the create slideshow. Now the slideshow is waiting to be created, and I can say something about it here. Sometimes I do actually add something about it, other times I leave that blank. It all depends what sort of slideshow that you're creating. Now if you want to publish it, you could go through and publish that immediately. Alternatively, go through and schedule it. Schedule it for when you would like that posted. I'm going to post this one tomorrow morning, bit of motivation, tomorrow morning at 7:40 a.m. That will then come live on the feed tomorrow morning, and just click schedule. And when I go up to the publishing tools, you'll then be able to see that that post now is waiting, ready to be scheduled for tomorrow morning under the scheduled posts. Now you'll see there that it is now waiting to be scheduled, and it will go out tomorrow morning. So that's actually how you go through and create a very simple post with a few of the quotes. So it's like repurposing some of the quotes or posts that you've already used. Hope they find this a useful tip. I'll be back with some more soon. Bye for now.